Good morning, students. So today we are going to solve some different types of question. Here it is. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses equally. Now what is the meaning of equal ratio here? Three partners are there, so each will get 1/3. The ratio was 1:1:1, so each partner share will be 1/3. Okay. It was decided in future that C will get 1/5 share in future. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice or gain of the partner. So here the new term is the new profit sharing ratio, or you can say NPSR. So how will you calculate NPSR here? So in this type of question we need to take the profit of the firm 1. Yes. So let us suppose the profit of the firm is 1. Now share given to C, it is clearly given in the question. In future C will get 1/5 share, so his share is 1/5. Now remaining profit will be out of the total share, which is 1. If we have given 1/5 share to C, remaining how will you calculate? 1 minus 1/5. You will get 4/5. Okay. So this 4/5 will be distributed between A and B in their old ratio, that is 1:1. Now why it is 1:1? Because you need to eliminate C's share as he is already getting 1/5. So our old ratio was 1:1:1. If you remove the share of C, so you will get 1:1 only. So that was old share of A and B. So the remaining share, which is 4/5, it will be distributed between A and B in their old ratio. So A's new share will be, his old share was 1:1, means 1/2 multiplied by remaining share, that is 4/5. You will get 4/10. In the same manner, B's new share, old ratio is 1/2 multiplied by remaining share 4/5, you will get 4/10. C's share is given in the question 1/5. Now we need to equivalent our denomination. Here you can see our denominations are 10. Okay. So by what number you will multiply 5 here? Okay. Here you can see it is written 1/5. So by what number you will multiply this 5 to get 10? Yes, that's right. You will multiply 2. So when you are multiplying 2 with the denomination, the same number you need to multiply with the numerator. So 2/2. Answer will be 2/10. So NPSR is clear. 4/10, 4/10, 2/10. We can simplify all these numbers. 4, 4 and 2. You can simplify these numbers. The HCF is 2, so you can divide all these numbers by 2. You will get here 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. So the NPSR is 2:2:1. Now we need to calculate sacrifice or gain. Here three partners are there, A, B and C. Old share is given 1:1:1. Each will get 1/3. New share just now we have calculated 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. I have taken the formula of sacrificing ratio. The formula is old share minus new share. So old share of A is 1/3 minus 2/5. The answer is minus 1/15. As we have already discussed in our previous class, while calculating sacrificing ratio, if the answer comes in negative, that partner is a gaining partner. What does it mean? His new share is more than the old share. In the same manner, we will calculate for B. 1/3 old share, 2/5 is a new share. Subtract these two share, you will get minus 1/15. Again a gaining partner. Now for C, his old share was 1/3, new share is 1/5. It is clearly observed, you can from the shares, that his old share was more than the new one. Answer we are getting 2 by 15. The positive share we are getting, that partner is a sacrificing partner. Understood? So here we have another question. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2. As per new agreement, C's new share will be 1 by 3, which he acquires from A and B in the ratio of 1:2. Compute new ratio and sacrifice or gain of the partner. So here C's new share is given 1 by 3 and his old share was 2 by 9, which means he has gained share. So first of all we need to calculate how much share C has gained. So here it is, share gained by C. The formula of gaining ratio we already discussed in the previous class. New share minus old share. C's new share is given 1 by 3 and his old share was 2 by 9. 4:3:2. Adding up all the numbers, denomination is 9. So 2 by 9. So 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9, we are getting 1 by 9. That share C has gained. It is written in the question, C's new share will be 1/3, which he acquired from A and B in the ratio of 1:2. That means he has gained 1 by 9. C has gained 1 by 9th share, which he is going to acquire from A and B in the ratio of 1:2. That means 1/3 part of this 1 by 9 he will take from A and 2/3 part of this 1 by 9 he will take from B. Whenever it is written in the ratio of, whenever you see the word of, we need to multiply their share, because it means he is taking 1/3 of 1 by 9 from A and 2/3 of 1 by 9 from B. So share acquired from A will be, multiply these two ratio, 1 by 9 into 1 by 3. How it is 1 by 3? 1:2, 1 plus 2 is 3, so denomination is 3. So 1 by 9 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 27. That means A has sacrificed 1 by 27 in favor of C. In the same manner B, 1 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 3, he has sacrificed 2 by 27 from his share in favor of C. Share acquired by C from both, he is taking 1 by 27 from A and 2 by 27 from B. Adding up these two ratio, you will get 3 by 27, or you can say 1 by 9. This is the gaining part of C. Okay. Now we need to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Here it is, new profit sharing ratio. We have three partners A, B and C. Old share is given 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 2 by 9. Just now we have calculated A has sacrificed 1 by 27, B has sacrificed 2 by 27 and C has gained from these two partners 1 by 27 from A he has taken and 2 by 27 from B he has taken. Adding up these two, you will get 3 by 27 or 1 by 9. What we need to calculate here? We need to calculate new share. How will you calculate? Out of the total share of A, which is 4 by 9, how much he sacrificed? 1 by 27. So we need to subtract that share from his old share. That means 4 by 9 minus 1 by 27, which he sacrificed. You will get 11 by 27. In the same manner for B, his old share was 3 by 9. He has sacrificed how much? 2 by 27. Subtract the sacrificing part from his old share. You will get 7 by 27. Yes, 3 by 9 old share minus his sacrificing part of B, that is 2 by 27. You will get 7 by 27. C's new share will be, because he is a gaining partner. So add up the share. His old share was 2 by 9 and he has taken 3 by 27 from these two partners. So 2 by 9 plus 3 by 27 is equal to 9 by 27. So this is the formula of new share. If you want to calculate new share, we need to subtract the sacrificing share. So the formula will be old share minus sacrificing share. And if a partner is gaining, we need to add that share. Old share plus gaining share. This is the formula of new share. So new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C is 11/27, 7/27, 9/27. Or you can say 11:7:9. A is sacrificed 1/27, B has sacrificed 2/27 and C has gained 3/27 of the share. Understood the concept?